Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is our manufacturing plant for the electronics. Just kind of showing you outside. There's our time temp display, 15-inch temp display we have set up. And then there's the building over there, the other one, 345, is our enclosures, where we manufacture all of our enclosures and shipping and receiving of the bigger items. You can see the ship one or two of the shipping doors. I'm going to take you inside here and show you around a little bit. When you come in, this is our lobby, our main lobby. Brenda's got her plants all set out here. Kind of looks kind of homey. There's one of our school clocks. It's probably close to 70, 80 years old. Just refurbished it. My father refurbished it, and we set it up here. So this is one of our safety displays that you can use in a safety day display. Just a kind of our trade show table. Here is the office for the accounting. So it's where all the payables, receivables happen. Julian, Brenda. Of course, everybody's gone right now. It's before 7, so looking at about 6 o'clock. Engineering, a lot of the programming goes on here. Design, we have Ben that works in this office. Go on down the hallway. This is sales in here. Handles all the internet, online sales, quoting there for custom products. This is just a file room and our network and telephone switch and whatnot. Just kind of taking you around the building, kind of showing you where we live every day, where we come into, and how things function. Here's the vinyl cutting room, where a lot of our printing goes on. Some testing over here. Got some testing going on here on the floor. It's a 15-inch day counter for ODOT. Here is our conference room. A lot of the bull sessions go on here. Just surprised that it's clean, looks clean. This is my office. A lot of the engineering goes on here, just design work and trying to figure out what we're going to do next as far as creativity wise. As far as product wise, storage room. Pictures and videos are taken here in this room. All of our digits and circuit boards, some of our digits and circuit boards. I'll take you over into the manufacturing portion. This is where it all happens. All the boards are created, and this is second stage right here, where they're putting the boards and the programs in them and testing them. Here's circuit boards. Over here we have two stuffing stations. Got a job here for, I think, Lowe's. This is set up for Lowe's. These are completed product. A little bit of a test board here, my original test board 20 some years ago when I invented the 2-wire clock. Some more testing racks. Again, this is probably for Lowe's. Networking bins and enclosure holding area. Here's where one of the ladies, Tara, sits for got everybody spread out because of COVID situation on the assembly areas, and she handles all of our enclosure manufacturing. Over here's Liz. She sits for the works on the circuit boards. Again, this is a job for Lowe's. Distribution centers, just time of day, wireless time of day clocks, storing forward. A lot of our programming of our chips and radios goes on here at this computer. Shipping and receiving, all of our shipping, our packaging machine. Jeff, who handles inventory, and a lot of our job staging organization. You got Maria over there, job staging, online jobs, online orders. She puts those together there. Liz, who comes in, and she's our intern. She's helps with some of the design work writing blogs and videos, helps me with that. Kind of a service area here where you can come in, and if you got a problem with something, with one of the timers and clocks or displays, you can come in and kind of work on it here and just leave it here and test, and printers and whatnot. Here's some more like inventory, just keeps odds and ends of our displays. Kitchen area. And that pretty much sums up the tour. I'll take you next door for the manufacturing of the enclosures. So to get next door, one of the ways I go is just pop out of my office and come through this door here. It's at the other end of the building. A couple steps. I think we purchased this building in 2011 at a sheriff's auction. And it's around 14,000 square feet. There's offices here. Pete works out of this office, another salesperson and owner. And Kyle is in charge of service. And Pete has his son working for us too. There's the 2 loading docks. His son Jack. Let's see if I can get in here. And this is where all the enclosure making happens right here. Drill press, cutting board. She's got some 4-sided, 4-inch enclosures that she's put together. That's Tara, and cutting and all our jigs for all the aluminum extrusion. There's some more. This is our bending, and right now we're doing everything by hand still. Our bending and our shearing. We have all of our aluminum laser cut. All the designs and everything are done over in engineering, and then laser cut, and here locally. Shear, and then a PEM machine to put in the studs for mounting. Then we have an area here where we do some of our, painting of odds and ends that need painted, and then there's a CNC machine. So this kind of gives you a perspective of DC Digital and the buildings that we have and work areas. And so this is where we live. Thanks for watching. This is Jim at DC Digital. Well, I did forget to show you the office area, Pete's office. This is the other owner. They work out of over here on 345. Simply because all of the service area and all the parts for the other products that we sell, the scoreboards and the message boards, are housed over here, and it's just better to keep those over here. It's a larger building. Here's another area here where we keep a lot of the parts for the scoreboards and message boards. So I just wanted to show you this office. I did forget about showing you this on the other video, but and this opens up into the manufacturing area. And so this is DC Digital, Jim with DC Digital. Thank you.